Hi folks, it's Bob from Mountain Crest Farms. Today we're going to talk about how to restore an old cast iron pan that's got some pretty deep rust spots in it that could take an awful lot of elbow grease to restore it if you do it the way most people show you. We're going to go over a way to bring it back to life without using up 6 months worth of elbow grease. First, let me show you a little clip of what you do with a pan that is not it's not this bad off. It just has some surface rust. It's not that hard. So we're going to break now for a little clip. I'm going to show what to do with a pan that's not in real bad shape, and then we'll come back and we'll get this one in good shape. Alright, so salt, water, coarse salt, water, paste, stainless steel scrub bud, and you can get the surface rust off that way. Try that with this one. You're going to be working on it for an hour. So, how do you get a pan back in good shape that's this bad or even worse without using all the oomph and energy you have for the day? It's easy. You bring in power tools, steel brush. Just take the power tool, take your drill. Right there is the worst spot. This is what you want. You're wanting to get to here. And you can get to there real easy on most of this pan. See, bring it back really nice. And this right here, if you were trying to do it just with a steel wool pad or steel wool and salt paste, you'd be here forever. Let's see how quick it goes with this. backside doesn't have to be all that great. After all, it's going to get greasy. It's going to blacken eventually anyway, but you don't want to start off looking like this. It just doesn't look good. So let's knock it down some. When I get to the back, I intentionally don't do a super fine job. The reason being, it doesn't have to be. Right there is your cook surface. Back here, if you get one spot just absolutely perfect, get rid of all of it, it's nice and shiny, you're going to have to do it all that way. Otherwise, what's not done will look like garbage. I get it all looking pretty good. It's going to cure in to where it's not going to look bad anyway. It's going to look like a cast iron skillet should look. I knocked the crap out, like down in here in that groove. You don't want it looking like that. But you don't have to have it looking super fine like it just came out of the factory either. Perfect? No. You'll see when we're done just how good this is. That's what has to be perfect. And it is. Now, oh, by the way, yes, it's Halloween time. Oh, I might put a picture of these after it gets dark when they're lit up at the end. Anyway, that's step one. Now, the next thing to do. After an hour in a 200-degree oven, a little bit more oil. Wipe it around, coat the pan good again. The pan's not quite as hot this time, it's not much slower. It's easy to cook the whole thing without getting burned. And give the outside a little bit of a wipe as well. This is the deeper appearance, but when the outside looks cured, it just looks better. And back into the 200-degree oven for another hour. Okay, after you've cooked it the second time, give it a good wipe with a paper towel. And it's ready to cook. The shot of the jack-o'-lanterns that I promised y'all at the first of the video.